So we got a full assortment of trucks here. We've got 3 Toyota 4Runners, 2 Army Green Pros, 1 TRD Off-Road, and we've got a Lunar Rock 2021 TRD Pro Tacoma. All these trucks are featuring our Westcott Designs preload collar. This one here is actually featuring our 6112 Bilstein kit. This one here is the 2021 kit, and these both are featuring the 20 kits that they make that are made exclusively for the 20s and the 21 models. So they all have a lot in common. They're the ride is just absolutely amazing on this setup here. And obviously this one's featuring one of our Westcott Designs roof racks. This one has one of our Westcott Design roof racks. And then we've got our Westcott Design 20-degree rock sliders here. So super cool to see all this going on here at the shop on a Friday afternoon. These are trucks that are in and getting a few things done, and now we're just finishing them up for the day. And woof, man, it's 4 o'clock. It's time to go home. So we wish everybody have a great weekend. We appreciate your support. We appreciate you watching. And if you do need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks again. Have a safe weekend. Bye-bye.